Welcome to You Don't Know JavaScript Object and Prototype Part 2. So we will start from where we left in the part 1, and we have seen the method 1, but we should know what does this keyword means. So for that, what we are going to do, this is the one of the most famous keyword in JavaScript is this keyword, and it is one of the most confusing topic also. So what does this keyword really means in method 1? So see, it is giving me this complete thing. Actually this is nothing but the window object. Actually I should do one thing, should open the console also, because this doesn't comes that much well. See, this is the window object. The window object is this. Let me do one thing, let me remove it itself, and we will see in this only. But if I remove it, I will not able to do run. It's okay. So as we can see, it is the window object when we are using a normal function. So then after that, what we'll see the second method, which is the object method. So let me do one thing, let me comment it out, and let me come to our object method. Let me uncomment it, and again console.log of this I will do, and let me clear, let me do it, and let me run it, and oh, it is again showing this hello only. Let me clear it, let me clear it, run it. Yeah, so see, in the second way, this is the object itself. See, the object, the object has only one property known as foo. So this is the object itself in this second method. And now we look into the third method. Let me comment this out, and the third method was this. I comment this out, let me take it here, and this was our third method in which we are calling that new. Let me also refresh it once, and let me run it now. See, in this is the empty object, because this creates an empty object. So in this, when we use the new keyword, this is the empty object. Now the thing is that we will look into the fourth way. As I have told you, the fourth way we are going to look into this. So let me remove all of this, and let me close it also. And for the fourth method, what we are going to do, we have to write a small program for that, and then we can understand the need of the fourth method first. So let me run a function again. Function, we have a function known as bicycle. It has got speed, gear, as most bicycle nowadays have gear also, tire pressure, and this is again the same this thing. We are creating a constructor function, this dot speed equal to speed, this dot gear equal to gear, this dot tire pressure equal to tire pressure, and then we have another thing, another key value pair in another variable inflate, not key value pair t, this dot tire equal to function, an anonymous function. And what this anonymous function will do when we'll do this inflate tire, this dot tire pressure plus equal to 3. So whatever is this tire pressure, it will do plus equal to 3. So now let us create two variables where by cycle 1 equal to new by I should spell it right. And one more thing, you see this B is capital B. It is general convention to give a constructor function as capital, because it is somewhat like classes in another higher level languages like Java and C++. 24, 25, then bicycle, I am just calling that this inflate tires. So let me do here only console.log bicycle 1 and let me run it. Yeah, it is not coming well again, as you might know. Oh, what is this? Hello. It sometimes shows something from the earlier thing. Yeah, so bicycle, if I do bicycle 1, it will show like this. And as you might know, I don't like it, this object thing. So I will come here, clear it, run it, and see like this. I like it. So bicycle have this speed 20, tire is 40, and see tire pressure is 28, not 25, because we ran this inflate tire. Similarly, we can do as many as we like this. Instead of bicycle, another variable bicycle 2, so let it be say 30. It has got 5 gears and initial is 30. Let me clear it, let me do it like this, let me run it now. Again the same, okay, not the same problem. I have to do this like this. This happens when you copy paste. So hope, let me refresh it once. Yeah, it has already come. So see, this has already come, but what I did again wrong, it is bicycle 2 I want to inflate, not bicycle 1 again. So let me do it again. So now it is right. So it's 35, it was 30 and it became 33. So this is working all fine if we do it like this. But what happens if we I don't want it here, I don't want it here. Okay, so let us have a function known as mechanic. So this mechanic, I've got a name, this dot name equal to name, only this much this mechanic have, and where Mike, his name is Mike, equal to new mechanic Mike. Now this Mike is also able to inflate the tire because he's a mechanic. So Mike, earlier we were thinking this as self inflating bicycles. Now Mike can also put air in that. So Mike doesn't have the function inflate tire. So if we want Mike to inflate tire, we will do the Mike dot inflate tire equal to, suppose he want to inflate the tire of bicycle 1. So bicycle 1 dot inflate tire, we have to do like this, clear, and then let me inspect console, clear. Actually we will directly do it here instead of doing something in the console. We will do directly here. So let me see the mic object. Oh, mic is not defined, it will not run like this, I think. Yeah, so what to do, let's do console.log of mic and then clear it. Clear it, run it. Yeah, so the mic have come. So we wanted to inflate the tire of bicycle 1. So to inflate the tire, so this is inflate tire function is there, but I want to inflate the tire, whether I can do it here. Let me see, my dot inflate tire. Again it is giving like this, so means I have to do it here only. Mic dot inflate tire. So I am calling mic dot inflate tire because I have just made it equal. So let me run it, and it is giving undefined. So it is giving undefined. Why it is giving undefined? Let us see. So after this, again you have to give this mic clear to this, then run it. See, it is giving undefined because tire pressure, when you call this mic.inflate tire, so it goes here with bicycle 1, but it doesn't have any tire pressure. See, if you can see, it doesn't have any tire pressure, so tire pressure is undefined. When it do this dot tire pressure, there is no tire pressure, so tire pressure is undefined. Tire pressure plus equal to 3, tire pressure equal to tire pressure plus 3, so it will become undefined plus 3 is not a number, so it will give us not a number. So how will we solve this problem? And even one more thing, we wanted, our target was to increase the tire pressure of bicycle 1 through mic, not through bicycle 1 directly, through mic. So even if I see the bicycle 1, it is still 28. 28 was because we did it through bicycle 1 also, bicycle 1 dot inflate tire, so this is 28, but it should be more, 3 more than that. So how to solve this problem? To solve this problem, what we have to do, we have to use a property called call. This property is called call only. So the call property, the main benefit is that we can pass any object to it and it will refer to that object. So right now it is not referring to that object. So to solve this problem, what we are going to do, see, mic.inflate tire. Mic.inflate tire, it is like this, dot call we have to give, and then we have to pass this bicycle 1. and then we will see the magic. Let me clear it. Let me do it like this, and let me run it now. Here it is there, and we did 10. Yeah, it is undefined, it is okay. But see the tire pressure. The tire pressure is now 31. Whether it should have come, how much? It should have come 28, because 25 plus 3, 28 plus 3, 31. It means it is working properly. So this is the way in which we can do this call. So call now means bicycle 1. So the bicycle 1 was an this object only. So whatever we pass to it, it refers to that. So this is the benefit of call, and this is the method 4. So this completes our object and prototype part 2. See you soon in part